Ladies and gentlemen, today you're going to learn how to make the most accurate vegan tzatziki. This is literally the closest thing to the real thing. Stay tuned. Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, how'd you like my apron? That's my beautiful wife. She bought that for me. Love you, baby. Folks, today we're going to be making an incredible recipe, vegan tzatziki. I've tried it. This is the most incredible, most accurate recipe you will ever find to real tzatziki. I want to give a massive shout out to Seasoned with Fun on Facebook, who submitted this recipe to me and allowed me to try it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment down below if you like vegan or plant-based food. There are no animals or animal products on my channel. I love you all. Have an amazing day. Let's get cooking. Okay folks, so this one's very simple. I don't need to talk too much on this video. Just add everything except the cucumbers, the mint and the dill, and just blend that until it's creamy. Feel free to add more plant-based milk to make it whatever texture you wish, but the amount that I've written down is about right. That's it folks. Once you've got to the texture that you like, pour it into a bowl, mix in your herbs and the cucumber. And once that's done, refrigerate for 2 or 3 hours, make it get nice and chilled, and you're gonna love it.
3 hours later.
And there you have it folks, vegan tzatziki. This is the most accurate thing you will ever have to the real thing. I let my mother-in-law try it. She didn't know that it was vegan at all, and she just loved it, so it passed the test. It passed the in-law test. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, massive thanks to Seasoned with Fun. I'm gonna put a link to her Facebook in the description, so you can go and check her out as well. Folks, if you want to know how to make perfect pita bread just like this, I've got a video on how to make that. I'll put it at the end of the video. Literally each and every time you'll get perfect pita bread with a hole in the middle like the pocket, and it's not like those Greek ones, so to speak, that you get in the supermarket in Europe. That's not real pita bread. Don't buy that at all. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it, and I will see you later. Bye for now.